machines. The low energy consumption is one of the most important tasks for us, and anything that is passing through the extrusion process will create a positive effect to the blow molding process. That is the reason why we want to use adiabatic extruder to achieve the best energy saving effects. The minimum shear effect, the absence of cooling fans, and the minimum heat dissipation will bring absolutely great advantages to the process, which can be analyzed, controlled, and calculate. And you can see that at the end, whenever you are reaching the minimum kilowatt per hour per kilo, is exactly the goal that any converter wants to achieve. It's important to understand that overall equipment efficiency, it is clearly informing the customer users that there's a clear, strong efficiency of the machines running, while the industry standards for cost-effective manufacturing procedures must be reached in a very high class. That is the reason why the top class best overall equipment effectiveness will come by a machine that is manufactured from ST. This is the reason why the value of the machinery produced by ST Group is higher than others. It's very important also to understand that ST BlowMoulding is integrated its manufacturing and design hub towards the three main facilities in the United States, in Europe, and China. In 2026, this year, we are also launching, and we were...
Here on this chart, you can see that in order to reduce the carbon footprint, the energy saving for the plastic processing is one of the most important topic in the plastic industry. In the Euromap norm, we could see the highest level, 10, which is having a power consumption of less than 0.29 kilowatt hour per kg of plastic that the machine is processing. So our CXT 810 is clearly below that, and our number with the precise measurement shows the result of an outstanding result of 0.22 kilowatt hour per kg. So this means the 0.22 kilowatt per kg is 24% better than the best Euromap 46.1 class of efficiency. So I know that many machines in the market are clearly above or clearly at lower than that, at the Euromap level 5, level 4 or something. Even the best, let's say, machine that you could see a few years ago in the market is nearly also doubling what we are consuming on the energy side. So here you see a comparison to different competitions that we have measured in a customer plant with 3 different production systems. And clearly you could see that ST solution is the most power-saving, energy-saving solution. And the difference is huge.
Go ahead, Dimitri, please.
Yes, I saw a couple of simple questions that I would like to answer quickly. One of the questions says if ST China is able to perform a kind of retrofit demand outside of China. My answer to that question is yes. We have a sophisticated and experienced team who are working, let's say, outside of China too. Very recently, we have performed some job outside of, let's say, even Asia. Our colleagues are working in South America to support their customer over there to start up their production. Of course, if we have some customers who are in Southeast Asian countries or in Europe, Middle East, we are able to help, of course.
Okay.